In this video, I'm going to show you a very cool feature that we added to our RingCentral text messaging system. If you check my screen, you can see that you have here the chat interface, which means you can send a text message to your customer. Whenever you will send a text message, it will be sent automatically from the person that is right now logged into the system. We also added a way to have multiple people that can send text messages. That can be all the users in your company or just some of them. We also added the same feature in case that you would like to have a mass text message feature. So you can select the different person that you want to send the mass text message from. That might be an assistant that is sending on behalf of our boss or sales team. And we also added a search that in case that you like to search one of the templates, you can do it using the search, and that's for some of our customers that have lots and lots of templates in the list. We also added the same feature on our workflows. So whenever you have a workflow, we added also a custom action, and the custom action will allow you to select who you want to send the text message from. So it's also cool. So all in all, you have two options. One is to have one person that will send the text messages from, and another one that you can send text messages from multiple people. As always, if you need a RingCentral license, contact us. We will give you the license, and in addition, we will also provide you our SMS extension for free for 1 year. As for the technical part, if you do not have our RingCentral SMS extension, you will need to go to the settings, click on all under marketplace. From the search for ABR, and you will find bunch of extensions that we created. One of them will be the RingCentral extension. So you will click here and you will install it. If you already have our extension, you will need to click on the updates, and then you will need to click on update beside the extension name. Once you update, you will have a new module named RingCentral phone numbers, okay? And if it's not available here, you will need to click on those dots and just search for Ring, and then you will see it. You will need to go to it. From here, you will need to click on create RingCentral phone number. You will need to enter the phone number. In my case, let's say my name is Joe, so I will have here my name. The formatted number will be the full number including your country code. So in my case, it will be, let's say, +1 647 891 9005. And then you will click on save. So just two details are required. Next, you will need to click on connect to RingCentral. Once you will click on it, the system will like to authenticate. So from here, you will just need to authenticate with your account, click on save. And once you're done, you will, if you want, you can refresh the page, and then you will see something like that. You will see the name, you will see here subscription ID, you will see a refresh token. Everything will be here. This process is supposed to be taken by every user that likes to send text messages from your system. And when you will go to your extension and you would like to send text message, you will see exactly what I showed you in the presentation. Enjoy, it's a very cool feature. Have fun.